In this question, different anions are given in list 2 and the observations when these anions treated with dilute sulfuric acid are given in list 1. We have to match the list 1 with list 2. The first one is given as nitrite ion or NO3 minus ion. This nitrite ion, when treating with dilute sulfuric acid, they will produce brown colored fumes. That is the liberation of nitrogen dioxide gas. The second one is carbonate ion. When this carbonate ions containing salt is treating with dilute sulfuric acid, a brisk effervescence with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas will be produced. And the third one is sulfide ions. The sulfide ions, when treating with dilute sulfuric acid, they will produce a colorless gas with a rotten egg smell. So this is known as hydrogen sulfide or H2S. And the last one is sulfide ions. The sulfide ion can produce a gas with a pungent smell and the gas is sulfur dioxide. And we can see the observations in this diagram. So from these options we can say that the correct answer is option A.